고!
Afternoon, everyone. Thank you for coming to our first presentation. I am
임지영. Speak loudly.
majoring in global media. Our group, Clinic, Carbon Law, Emission, and Visual IT, will present about the severity of climate change and solutions with IT technology. The presentation will be conducted in the following order. Myself and 준수신 and 김도영. There are three matters that we would like to discuss today. The first one involves severity of climate change, and the second one is IT technologies to solve these problems, and the last one is possibility of our actions. According to the McKinsey 2022, global average temperatures are expected to increase between 1.5 and 5 degrees Celsius relating to today in many locations by 2050. Then why are the average surface temperature on the Earth rising? It is because the excessive emission of carbon. Since the Industrial Revolution, when excessive carbon emissions have begun, the current surface temperature of the Earth has increased by 1.2 degrees Celsius. The energy needed to this increase is approximately equivalent to the explosion of 97.1 million Hiroshima-sized atomic bombs. This has put our planet into a severe climate crisis. The climate crisis are not only threatening the natural environment, but also significantly impacting human survival, directly affecting our daily lives. Therefore, we must try to reduce carbon emissions. In today's presentation, we will explore the severity of the climate change and specific examples of how IT technologies can contribute to solving these problems. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Shin Jun-soo and I'm majoring in global media. Today, I will talk about the impact of carbon emissions on climate change. As we can feel globally, abnormal weather events are occurring very frequently nowadays. Global warming has a significant impact on this phenomenon. Looking at the following data, this graph compares the global mean temperature to the baseline of 1850s to 1800s, accelerating notably after World War II in the 1950s, right here. It shows a steep increase. Coinciding with the growing of dependency of fossil fuel in the 1980s, right here. This trend has continued steadily until the present. The Earth's average temperature is melting polar ice caps and rising sea levels, leading to frequent abnormal climates globally now. One of the main causes of global warming is the excessive carbon emission resulting from high energy consumption. Burning coal, oil, and natural gas releases carbon dioxide, increasing the concentration of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere, which is accelerating the global warming. Furthermore, the increasing of demand for computer resources and data has a significant impact on this energy uses. As shown in the following data, this graph illustrates the growth of domestic data market, predicting approximately 50% growth by 2025. This growth leads to a need for power and infrastructure, ultimately leading to an increase in fossil fuel uses and consequently carbon emissions. For example, according to Stanford's HAI 2023 AI Index report, GPT-3 recorded 502 tons of CO2 emissions, which is equivalent to what an average person worldwide emits over 100 years. As technological advancement continued to drive an increase in energy demand, there is a corresponding rise in the excessive utilization of fossil fuels. This harms the environment, which directly affects our existence. Efforts to address this demand, we can do a lot of things. So, what can we do to solve this? Now move on to that point. I will hand it over to next presenter. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Kim Do-young, majoring in global media. Now I will talk about solution with IT technology to solve this serious climate problem. To solve this climate problem, we can utilize various IT technology. Technology that prevent climate change is called climate technology. Please look at this graph. This graph shows the investment into climate tech startups and number of deals. Horizontal axis shows the year from 2013 and 2021, and the vertical axis on left show investment cost, and the right show number of deals. Through this data, we can see that both figures are increasing. This means the world is paying attention to climate technology. Now that the importance of developing technology for environment is growing, now I will talk about how blockchain and AI can be used to protect the environment. The first technology is blockchain. Blockchain is the decentralized system that records and stores information. It has transparency in that no one can modify it thoughtlessly and anyone can view the result of change. Therefore, it is useful to manage history of our sales and transportation. An example of blockchain is the carbon tracing platform COT developed by MNBI. This system tracks the movement and utilization of material and mineral. Through this, it is possible to figure out how much carbon is emitted from mining to product manufacturing. Using this data, it is possible to streamline the transportation methods, and finally, we can reduce carbon emissions. The second is AI. As mentioned earlier, AI is a major source of carbon emissions. However, AI can play a positive role in environmental protection by automating recycling system and analyzing and predicting environmental changes. CTE AI building operator is an example. This is a system that uses AI to automatically manage cooling and heating facility inside a building. CTE changed operating methods from having operator directly manage the system to using AI. Through this, it is possible to manage facility and energy in an optimized method by reflecting buildings condition and energy consumption patterns. In fact, as a result of applying this system to 12 buildings, 10 to 20% of energy was saved while operating the building comfortably. Katie mentioned that it plans to expand this system to various buildings in Korea, and energy usage will be greatly reduced. To summarize my presentation, by using IT technology such as blockchain and AI, we can use energy efficiently and reduce carbon emission effectively. So far, I have presented example of IT technology to save this climate change. Now I will move on to the next. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Kyung-hoon, and I am majoring in global media. I am a group leader of the third group. I will present our conclusion part. By using the AI technology and the blockchain technology, we can see many positive effects. First, we can protect ecosystem such as forest. Secondly, we can solve the problem of desertification caused by climate change. Finally, by solving the climate problem, we can keep our children's future safe from climate pollution. In summarize, the serious climate problems caused by carbon dioxide need to be solved for the healthy Earth. To solve this problem, we need to use various IT technology. First, blockchain technology can contribute to reducing carbon emissions by tracking the movement of pollution. Second, AI can save large energy by managing energy resources. By using these techniques, we can protect children for the future. For us and for children, we should save the earth and keep in mind. Thank you for listening to our team presentation. If you have any question, please ask for us.